Hello, my name is Sean Sperry, and in this short demo for Spectrum Protect Plus for online services, data protection for Microsoft 365, I'm going to show you how to export a Exchange Online mailbox. So with that being said, let's get to the demo. So here we are in Spectrum Protect Plus online services, and we are going to export a mailbox. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on the restore, and since I'm going to do a specific object type, which is Exchange Online, I'm going to choose search by service type, and I'll go ahead and pick Exchange Online. And I could go ahead here and search by a specific keyword or a particular user, but what I'll do is I'll find items by a specific backup job, just in case I want to go back to a specific date. For me, I'm going to go ahead and pick my latest backup job, which is 11:43 p.m. I'll go ahead and click on it, and note I'll see all of the tenants that I can restore here, and I can narrow it down by name. My favorite Dynamo user, Adele, happens to be at the top, so I'll go ahead and choose her and go ahead and click on export. And when that happens, as you can see, my export job will go ahead and start in the background. If I go here and go to Job Monitor, in a minute you're going to see the export job running. I believe you can filter here on job type, so I'll go ahead and filter on export job, and there you see it's running with some of the earlier ones I ran. This will take 2 or 3 minutes to complete, so I'll go ahead and stop the video while it runs. Here you see that export has completed now, and what I'll be able to do now is go ahead and export that PST file, and there you see it exported. And I can go to my file system. Now I happen to be on a Mac, so here you see I have a zip file that is now the export of the mailbox, of Adele's mailbox, in zip format. In order to unzip that, I'm going to have that password. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I will double click on my zip file and go ahead and export and unzip the PST file. And there you see in it I happen to have one PST file that I'm able to import into Outlook. Importing it into Outlook is going to be pretty straightforward. It may be different depending on how you're configured, but I happen to be running Outlook on my local Mac, so I am going to do a file and an import, and I want to import a Windows archive, a PST file, so I'll do a continue. And here you see I'm already pointed to the downloads directory, and there is my PST file. And I'll go ahead and run the import into Outlook. I can see it in my version of Outlook on my computer tab or twisty. If I scroll down, I can see XLV, which is a PST. And here is my inbox for Adele that I have in there imported that I can keep, search, work with, or do whatever I want. So that's an example of how to export data from Spectrum Protect Plus for online services. I hope you find that useful, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.